Hello guys, this is Tim the Toy Man here, and today we got the Fisher-Price Pika Blocks Rollin Rumblin' Dump Truck. Now, this one's from 2003. This one is used, and it's in very good condition. I'm going to go over and show you what it does here. So this one, I got 5 Pika Blocks here, and you can put them in the tires. Take them out, all 4 sides. It makes sounds when you roll it. It's got, you can put Pika Blocks through here. And it's got this little dump on top, and then also the box dumps. You could set one in the front here. So, looks like a very fun toys for toddlers. And that's about it. That's the Fisher-Price Pika Blocks Rollin' Rumblin' Dump Truck. Thanks for watching.